This video is on how to link Aadhaar with PAN. For new applicants of PAN, the interlinking of Aadhaar with PAN is done automatically during the application stage. For existing PAN holders, it was mandatory to link PAN with Aadhaar up to 31st March 2022. However, CBDT has now extended the deadline of linking Aadhaar with PAN from 31st March 2022 to 31st March 2023, subject to payment of late fees. Taxpayers are now required to pay a late fee of Rs 500 if they link their Aadhaar with PAN till 30th of June 2022 and a fee of Rs 1000 if the Aadhaar PAN linkage is done from 1st of July 2022 to 31st March 2023. The Link Aadhaar service is available to individual taxpayers whether they are registered or not registered on the e-filing portal. In order to access this service, you should have a valid PAN, an Aadhaar number, a valid mobile number, and you must have paid the requisite fee on the NSDL portal. Let us now see step by step how do we make the payment of applicable fee on NSDL portal and how do we link the Aadhaar with PAN. First of all, go to the e-payment for TIN page, and on this page, in the non-TDS TCS category, select Challan number ITNS 280 and then click on Proceed button. On clicking the Proceed button, a Challan ITNS 280 will be displayed. You can select Major Head 21 Income Tax other than companies as tax applicable and Minor Head 500 Other Receipts as type of payment. In this Challan, you are required to select the mode of payment. You can make the payment through net banking or by way of debit card. You are required to enter your PAN and the assessment year. For the purpose of Aadhaar PAN linkage, please select assessment year 23-24. The city, district, state and PIN code are also mandatory fields. You are then required to enter the CAPTCHA and click on Proceed button. Kindly note that if the amount of fee payment is less or greater than the specified amount of Rs 500 or Rs 1000, as the case may be, the amount shall be considered as invalid for the purpose of Aadhaar PAN linkage. Also, please note that only a single Challan of fee amount of Rs 500 or Rs 1000 as the case may be, with a Major Head 21 and Minor Head 500 will be considered as a valid fee for Aadhaar PAN linkage. Any multiple Challans with the same Major and Minor Head combination for assessment year 23-24 will not be considered as a valid fee payment. After making the fee payment, you are requested to kindly wait for 4 to 5 working days and then submit your Aadhaar PAN linkage request on the e-filing portal. On the e-filing portal, you are requested to log in using your user ID and password, and on your dashboard, click on Link Aadhaar to PAN option. Alternatively, you can also go to the Personal Details section and click on Link Aadhaar. You are required to enter your PAN and Aadhaar number and then click on Validate button. Please ensure you link your correct Aadhaar with your PAN. If your PAN is already linked with the Aadhaar or with some other Aadhaar, you are required to check the correct Aadhaar number. In case your PAN is linked with some other Aadhaar, you are required to lodge a grievance or contact the e-filing help desk to unlink Aadhaar and PAN. If the Aadhaar PAN combination is validated, and if you have made the payment of Challan on NSDL site and payment details are verified by the e-filing portal, then a pop-up message will be displayed communicating that your payment details are verified. You are required to click on Continue on the pop-up message to submit Aadhaar link request. Here you are again required to enter the details and click on Link Aadhaar button. A 6-digit OTP will be received on your mobile phone. You are required to enter the OTP and click on Validate button. The request for Link Aadhaar will be submitted successfully and a success message will be displayed on the screen. You can now go and check Aadhaar PAN link status. However, if the payment details are not verified on the e-filing portal, you will get a pop-up message which says payment details are not found. Click on Continue to pay on NSDL portal for the payment of fee, as the payment of fee is prerequisite to submit Aadhaar PAN link request. If you have already made the payment of fee on the NSDL portal, you are advised to wait for 4 to 5 working days and then again submit your request. It may also happen that the record of PAN and minor head code is there, but Challan is already consumed for linking. In this case, you will see a pop-up message. Payment done earlier for this PAN has already been used for Aadhaar PAN linking. If you have not submitted Aadhaar PAN linking request earlier, please lodge a grievance or contact the help desk. However, if you have raised the Aadhaar PAN linkage request earlier, you are requested to kindly make the fee payment again on NSDL portal and submit Aadhaar PAN linking request 4 to 5 working days after the payment. If you've got the success message, you can view the Link Aadhaar status. On your dashboard, now you can click on Link Aadhaar status, or alternatively, you can go to My Profile section and then click on Link Aadhaar status. If your Aadhaar is already linked with your PAN, your Aadhaar number will be displayed. However, if your request to link PAN and Aadhaar would be pending with UDAI for validation, you will need to check the status later. On successful validation, a message will be displayed on your Link Aadhaar status. Linking of Aadhaar with your PAN is very easy. To know more, you can visit our website www.incometax.gov.in or contact our helpline numbers.